Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we will learn about HTML style guides. So let's see what is HTML style guides. A consistent, clean and a tidy HTML code make it easier for others to read and understand your code. Here are some guidelines and tips for creating good HTML code. So the first one is always declare the doc type as the first line in your document. As you can see here, I have already mentioned the doc type HTML at the first line. So this means we are introducing the HTML to our Visual Studio. So it will help us, or it will help Visual Studio to know that the language we are trying to do or the code we are trying to do is in the HTML form. So this one is the first one. The next one, within the head tag, there is a title part. So always mention the title tag, because if you're not writing the title tag, we will be not able to know what kind of document is this and what is the title of that document. So it will help us to know what is the title of a particular web page. So this is the second one. The third one is always close your tag. In this case, you can see some people usually forget to close their tag. They are able to write the first tag, that is P, here you can see, but after writing this is good as a context, and they are forgetting about the closing the tag. So this is if you're not closing the tag, whatever you will be writing in next one will get error. So always close your tag. This is your third point. The fourth one is always close your tag. Okay, I have written this for the second time, so I'm just removing this one. Okay, the fourth one is always use quote in ID attributes name. So here you can see in ID attribute, we have to mention the quotes because it will help us to know what we are writing. So if the ID is given as a paragraph and it is written in the double quote, we'll be able to style that particular attribute. So if you're not writing this in the paragraph, so ID will not be able to know what kind of ID name is there. So it will help us to know the name of the ID. And the last one is always give alt, width, height attribute in image tag. You can style image in different attributes also, but these kind of attributes like alt, width and height are the important one. So if you're adding any image over here, then if you're not giving any width or height of that image, sometimes it happens the image will not be able to see, because we have to give a particular height, so it will come in particular height and width. So it will help us to know what is the kind of image. So these are the few strict guides related to the style, and it will help us to know better information, and it will help us to not do any mistake further. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we will study about new features related to HTML. Thank you so much.